Hello and welcome back class 2. Our chapter is 2 and our class is for English 2nd. So we have finished the chapter reading, explanation, question answers, we fill in the blanks, word power yesterday only. Now today we will do the grammar exercises. You can see here this is one exercise given as use of a or an. See my dear students, we have read in the lesson a doll, but we write an umbrella, an inkpot. Why do we do so my dear children? This is because of the first letter of the word which is given us for use a or an. See here given a doll. If we will leave the a, which word we have with us? Doll. D-O-L-L. Doll. So my dear students, in our grammar class, we learnt that there are few consonant and few vowel in the alphabet. Yes. So A, E, I, O, U are the vowel and rest of the letters are the consonant. So before the word which is started with the consonant, always we use a. And we know it very well that D is a consonant. So we used a here. In the second line you see given umbrella and inkpot. Before these two words we used an. This is because of first letter is U and I and they are the vowels. Yes. So here we go. A is used when a word begins with a consonant sound. As I told you, always we use a before the word which is having a consonant sound. Then second one is an is used when a word begins with one of vowel sound. Yes, when a letter begins or a letter starts with a vowel sound, we used before that an. Yes, so let's do our exercise. Put a or an. First word is man. M is a consonant. Yes. So before M we will write, before man we will write a. Then second one is as. So first word is of as is a. That's why it will come an here. In the same way, third one is given egg. E is a vowel. So that's why we use here an. Next one is bat. First letter of the bat is B. That is a consonant. So we will use here A. Then kite. That the K also a consonant. So that's why we use A here. Next one is owl. O is a vowel. That's why it will come an here. Engine also first letters with an. We will write here an because first letter is E. Then another one is orange. Orange also a vowel carrying word. That's why we will use an before the orange. In this way we have completed. You can read it all. And now let us go to the next exercise. That is about of naming words. What are the naming words? My dear students, you learnt in the class first also the names of persons, place or things are naming words. First you can see Richa brought a puppy from a village. See here Richa brought a puppy from a village. Here also three words are given as naming words. So see here Richa, puppy and village are naming word because they are the name of a person or a place or a thing. So in the same way pick out the naming words from the poem. In your poem also few words are given as naming words, so you can sort out them. First one is we will write bells. In the first line it is given all the bells were ringing. So we will take the bells. Second line it is birds. Third line is word is given Molly, and another word is doll. Yes, so in this way 4 words are there, and they are the naming words. Yes, let us revise. The name of person, place or thing are naming words. Here in the sentence given Richa, puppy, village, they are the naming words. And in the chapter bells, birds, Molly and doll are given as naming words. Yes, my dear students, now this is the time to do the synonyms. Here you can see given synonyms. Synonyms, what do you mean by synonyms? Synonym means the word which are having the different spelling but the same meaning. See here given cry means weep. Cry means weep. Next, in the next line given the definition of the synonyms, the words having the same meaning are called synonyms. One more exercise is given here for you. So let us start. Read the given sentences, choose and speak out the meaning of the underlined word. See, first one is, she has a beautiful doll. This is a sentence, and downside it is given pretty, ugly and pale. These are the 3 words given here. So, we have to find out the word which is having the same meaning for beautiful, because in the sentence the word beautiful is given underlined. Yes. So, the meaning of the beautiful word is pretty. So, what we'll do? We'll underline the word pretty. In the second line, another sentence is given. He shuts the door. Then options are opens, closes, breaks. Closes is the same meaning giving for shuts. So, we will underline it. Another one is, will you buy this shirt? And the options are wear, sell, purchase. So, the meaning of the buy is purchase. So, we will underline the word purchase. Next is, the elephant is huge. Huge means large, बहुत बड़ा. Yes. So, large, small and tall. These are the different options, and we will take the large. Then E, I stay here. Options are play, sleep and leave. So stay means leave. Yes. In this way we have finished this exercise also. Let us revise it one more time. Let's revise it here once. Beautiful means pretty. Shut means closes. Buy means purchase. Elephant means large. And stay means leave. Let us revise one more time the definition also. The word having the same meaning are called synonyms. The word having the same meanings are called synonyms. You can write these words as the example of synonyms. So our this exercise also completed. Now you can revise it one more time. Then this is time to go to the last exercise of this chapter, that is about a doll. My dear students, this is a fun activity for you. It will give you a huge pleasure. Now, do you have a doll? Yes, do you have a doll? If yes, you can write here in the blank place yes. And if you are not having, you can write no. So here is the picture of a doll. Color the picture and write some sentences. Few sentences are given for you, and here clues are also given. So you can take out clues from there, that place, and you can write them here. So first one is, the doll has beautiful eyes. The doll has beautiful eyes. Then second one is, it has, yes, curly hair. You can see so much curl on her hair. So it has curly hair. Next, third one is it has colorful frock. Fourth one is it is laughing. Now, one more thing you can do, that is the coloring. You can color this doll and can complete your lesson in this way. So my dear students, the exercises which are given today, you can do them in your book only. No need to mention them in the notebook, just to do them in the book only, and be with your studies